Hey guys, and welcome to this section on workflow. In this section we'll cover the complete workflow from editing your picture in Lightroom through attaching keywords, uploading, submitting to various agencies. We'll cover how to come up with keywords effortlessly, how to save your sanity when you're dealing with iStock agency, because this could cost you your sanity if you don't know how to do it right. We'll be covering attaching keywords to your image so you don't need to retype or re-copy and paste each time. So let's take a brief look what the workflow actually looks like. Once you import your image in Lightroom, you are going to edit it, of course. And since this is not a course on editing your images, I assume you already know how to do this. Then we'll be attaching keywords to the image. Keywords are very important so your image can be found by customers. We'll be attaching the keywords to the image itself, to the file, so once you upload it to different places, different areas, keywords will already be there. I'll show you a neat little trick how to come up with keywords using the keyword suggestion tool, so you don't need to run your brain too hard all the time. Once you have the keywords attached to your image, we are going to use FTP protocol to upload the images in a very quick fashion and very effortlessly to all the places we need them to be. Once the images are there, we are going to submit the images to different agencies, and I'll show you how to do it in Shutterstock, how to do it in Deposit Photos, how to do it in Dreamstime and Adobe Stock. And lastly, we'll discuss how to upload and submit for iStock. This can be a very painful process unless you are using a very neat piece of software that's called Deep Meta. And Deep Meta allows you to bypass the terrible process of uploading and submitting to iStock with a standalone piece of software that makes it very easy to upload, edit and track your images in iStock. So head right over to upcoming videos, because there we will be covering keywording, uploading, submitting in much more detail. I'll see you there. Bye.